Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Claude AI use cases video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how I built a free keyword research tool using Claude AI. Here in the right hand side, you will see the tool that I have created using Claude AI, and in the left hand side, you will see the exact prompt that you can also use to create the same tool in your Claude account. I did not start with this prompt. I started with a simple prompt. I'll show you what is the prompt that I started with. Now let me show you how does this work. Here I'm going to enter the target keyword. I'm going to enter the niche for that target keyword, and I'm also going to enter the website URL for which I want to build backlinks. So I'm going to enter this information in the Claude tool, and the Claude is going to get all the information. It is going to research on the internet, and it is going to give me the list of websites where I can publish guest posts and get backlinks from those websites. Now let's enter the keyword and the niche, and let's see how does this actually work. Here I'm on my website and I have a blog post here, and let's say I want to create backlinks for this blog post. This blog post is about WordPress AI connector. So the keyword will be WordPress AI connector, the niche will be WordPress, and I'm going to copy the URL of this blog post. So let's copy the link, go back to the tool, and here enter the keyword WordPress AI connector. Niche will be WordPress, and here I'm going to enter the URL and click on the button find 7 plus 7 backlink websites. So let's click on it, and it is going to work on it. It will give me the list of 7 websites where I can publish the guest articles and get a backlink. Now here I have limited the research to 7 websites only. It is not necessary, you can add any number. If you want unlimited websites, you can remove the limitations, and it is going to give you a list of many websites where you can publish the guest article. So here we have the first result. Apart from the websites, it is also going to generate the topic of the article that you can create. And here you will see a button, write guest post. If I click on it, it is going to generate the blog articles also. So you don't need to write the article manually. Claude AI is going to write the article on this topic. This is the topic that it has created. If I click on it, it is going to generate article for this topic. The topic is how to use a WordPress AI connector to automate content creation for beginners. So this is the first website. We have second website where I can publish the guest article. It has also generated a new topic for this website. And if I click on this button, it is going to write an article for this topic. Then we have third number, fourth number, 5, 6, and 7. So this is the list of 7 websites where I can publish the guest article. And in many cases, the list of website may not be correct. It will give you some websites where you cannot publish the guest article. And that's why we have a backup list of 7 alternative sites. So apart from 7 main websites, you can also create 7 alternative websites where you can publish the guest article. Let's say if I go to this website and this website is not accepting guest articles, then I can select one of the alternative websites and I can publish guest article on one of these websites. So this is a backup list that I have also created. You will need to submit the articles manually. Claude is going to generate the article. You can download that article and go to the website and publish the article manually. In many cases, you may need to contact the admin of the website and submit your guest article to the admin via email. So the Claude is going to do a research. It is going to give you a list of websites. It is going to give you topic on which you can create blog article, and it is also going to create an article for you. Let's say I want to create a blog article on this topic, how a WordPress AI connector can improve site performance and content workflows on managed hosting. So I'm going to click on write blog post, and the Claude is going to write a detailed article on that topic. It may take 2 or 3 minutes to write the article. Alright, so the article is ready. The keyword is WordPress AI connector, and the URL of my website is this one. Let's scroll down and let's see the article. This is the title of the article, and you will see an article of approximately 1000 words. And here you will see your website URL is also included in this article. So this is going to be a backlink for your website. Here you will see a button. If I click on it, I will be able to download this article. I can send this article to the admin of this website, or I can publish the article manually on that website. So let's click on it and click on download file, and I'm going to save it on my computer. All right, so the one article is ready. Let's go back to results. Here at the top, you will see download Excel button. If I click on it, I will be able to download all this information. So I can download this Excel file and save it on my computer. So I will be able to download all the data. I will be able to generate articles. I can download those articles and I can publish those articles later in the future on those websites. Here at the top, you will see new search button. If I click on it, it is going to refresh all the data and you can start a new search. Let's click on it. And you will be back to the dashboard of this artifact. This is basically an artifact that I created in Claude AI. If you are using free Claude AI, you can still create an artifact on your Claude account and use this tool. Here in the left hand side, you will see the exact prompt of the final version of this artifact. If you want to create the same artifact or the same tool in your Claude account, you can copy this exact prompt and put it in your Claude account. It is going to create the same artifact in your account also. If you want to copy this prompt, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can go to my website and copy this exact prompt.
Subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel for easy tutorials on AI tools, AI agents, WordPress, web design, automation, Elementor, WooCommerce, and more. Press the bell icon and stay updated with every new video.
This is the initial prompt. I want to create backlinks to one of my websites. Is it possible for Claude to create backlinks? I'm using Claude Pro. Here I'm using Claude Pro. However, you can create the same tool in the free Claude account also. Initially, I wanted to create a system where the system is going to do research and it is going to create backlinks every day from 3 to 5 websites. I was looking for Claude to go to the internet, search for the keywords and generate articles and submit the articles automatically so that it will be a fully automated tool. However, the Claude is not going to submit the articles on those websites. That need to be done manually. So I asked Claude any additional tool if required. So the answer is that directly no. Claude cannot create backlinks on its own because backlinks require creating an account on external websites, submitting forms, writing posts, or publishing content on third-party platforms, logging into directories, forums, blogs, etc. So that is not possible for Claude. What about Claude Cowork? Partially possible, but with limits. Again, the Claude Cowork is not going to submit the articles automatically. So that was the limitation in Claude Cowork also. So later I asked Claude, can you do a research for a keyword and give me a list of websites to get backlinks for that keyword related to website. I can add guest posts or articles to those websites manually. And this is the answer. Here are the best strategies to get quality backlinks. And these are the strategies: guest posting, digital PR, or help a reporter out, a resource page link building, broken link building, skyscraper technique, niche directories, podcast appearances, forum and community participation, social profiles, and business listings. So these are the options that Claude has suggested me to get backlinks from. And here you will see what Claude can help you with: a research guest post website for your keyword, write the guest post article. So the Claude is going to do the research. Claude will be able to write the article, draft an outreach email to site owners. So if you want to draft an email to the site owners, Claude will also help you drafting the email. Find broken link opportunities, find hero style queries to respond to. This is what Claude cannot do: actually submit or post on your behalf. So I asked Claude how Claude will create a list of quality websites to get backlinks. What will be the parameters for the quality websites? So this is what the answer is. Step 1, search queries Claude will run. So the Claude is going to use these queries right for us and your keyword, your niche, submit article, and your niche. So these are the queries that Claude is going to run, and it is going to gather the information from the internet and it is going to build the list of quality websites. Here you will see the parameters that Claude is going to use: domain authority, DA30 plus is good, domain rating, DR40 plus is preferred, page authority, and trust row, relevance signal, niche relevance, content quality, topical authority, and audience match. These are the traffic and engagement signals. Red flags Claude will filter out. So it is also going to filter out the low quality websites. Below that you will see what Claude can and cannot check. And this is going to be the workflow. You give Claude keyword plus niche plus your website URL. Claude searches, find 20-30 candidate websites, Claude Filter applies quality parameters. Claude delivers top 10 to 15 weighted websites with all details. You pitch guest posts to those websites. Claude writes the guest post content for you. Later, I asked Claude, is it possible to create the Claude artifact for the same process? So next time, if I want to do the research, I'm going to open the artifact, and in that artifact, I'm going to enter the target keyword, niche, and website URL. Click on the button and it is going to give me all the data. If I click on write blog post, it is going to write the blog post automatically. And the Claude said, yes, it is possible. A Claude artifact can be built as an AI-powered interactive web app that runs entirely inside the Claude chat interface. And these are going to be the features of this Claude artifact. And finally, I asked Claude to create this artifact. So this is how I started with a simple prompt, and in conversation, I finally got this working AI tool. Here I have limited the result to 7 websites only. Again, it is not mandatory to limit the results to 7 number. If you want list of unlimited websites, you can remove the number from the prompt. So if you want to create the same free backlink research tool using Claude AI, you can copy this exact prompt and create the same tool in your Claude AI account. The link is in the description box. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.